Children, please open English classwork book page number 95 to write A sound words.
Now let us start. What is this step? So for standing line and the turn and the slipping line, that is T. C curve, go up, come down, A. Standing line, go up and a reverse C curve, P. T-A-P, tap. T says star, A says air, P says pa, the apple, tap. T, A, P, tap. Now what is this bag? Now standing line, go up and a reverse C curve, that is B. C curve, go up, come down, A. C curve, go up, come down and a turn, G. B-A-G, bag. B says bar, A says air, G says ga, ba-a-ga, bag. B, A, G, bag. What is this? Pen. Now standing line, go up and a reverse is P. C curve, go up, come down, A. Standing line, a turn and come down straight, that is N. P-A-N, pen. P says pa, A says air, N says pa and pen. P, A, and pen. What is this? Lab. Standing line is L. C curve, go up and come down is A. Standing line, go up and a reverse C curve, that is B. L-A-B, lab. L says la, A says air, and B says ba, la, a, ba, lab. L, A, B, lab. Children, this is how we will complete the whole page. So till now you have learned so many A sound words. Keep practicing and writing at home.